Analyzing Trust Wallet Face ID login is a crucial step in understanding the security and functionality of this feature. To begin, ensure you have the latest version of the Trust Wallet app installed on your device. First, navigate to the Settings section of the Trust Wallet app and locate the security options. Here, you will find the Face ID login feature, which uses advanced biometric technology to verify your identity. When you enable Face ID login, the app will prompt you to scan your face using the device's camera. This scan will create a unique facial map that is stored securely on your device. To analyze the Trust Wallet Face ID login, consider the following key concepts. First, facial recognition technology uses complex algorithms to identify and verify individual facial features. This ensures that only the authorized user can access the wallet. Second, the Face ID login feature is designed to be highly secure, using encryption and other protective measures to safeguard your personal data. Now, let's consider some practical examples of how to analyze the Trust Wallet Face ID login. For instance, you can test the feature in different lighting conditions to see how it performs. You can also try using the feature with various facial expressions or angles to see how it adapts. In terms of best practices, it's essential to keep your device and the Trust Wallet app up to date with the latest security patches and updates. Additionally, make sure to use a secure password or PIN in conjunction with the Face ID login feature to add an extra layer of protection. In conclusion, analyzing the Trust Wallet Face ID login feature requires a thorough understanding of facial recognition technology, security protocols, and best practices. By following these steps and considering the key concepts and practical examples, you can gain a deeper understanding of how this feature works and how to use it securely.